Working with apprentices makes a huge difference for us at Griffon Marine, particularly because they do really have a genuine interest, whether that's in the marine sector or into engineering. The students are really enthusiastic and they really are wanting to learn as much as they can about the sector.
Being able to earn money whilst I learn means that I can do what I love and get paid for it. It's the best way to learn. To be able to put what you learn into how you work, it's really, really rewarding.
The hands-on training is so important for the maritime industry because it's working in a safety critical environment and also gaining that hands-on skills and knowledge in the industry. They also bring fresh new ideas, whether that's new sort of hands-on learning or going back to old ways of learning.
I think to apply your knowledge every day into what you learn is massively going to help you succeed.